Is your Samsung phone playing dumb when it comes to media sound? Let's fix that. First things first, let's rule out the simplest culprit. Volume. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings panel here. You'll see sliders for media volume. Make sure this slider isn't all the way down or muted. Tap the volume buttons on the side of your phone to bring up the volume panel directly again. Check that media volume isn't set to 0. Next, let's check app-specific settings. Open the app where your media sound isn't working, like YouTube or Netflix within the app's own settings. Look for any audio or playback options that might have been accidentally adjusted sometimes. An app might have its own independent volume control. If the sound is still missing, we need to see if it's a system-wide issue or just that one app. Go to your phone's settings, then tap on Apps, find the problematic app in the list, tap on it, and then select Storage from here. You can try clearing the app's cache. This often resolves minor playback glitches without losing your data. Now, let's test your speakers. Navigate back to Settings, then tap Sound and Vibration. Scroll down until you find the speaker test option. Tap it, and your phone should play a series of sounds. If you hear these sounds, your speakers are likely working fine. If not, it might indicate a hardware issue. A less common but possible cause is an incorrect audio output. In the sound and vibration settings, look for options related to audio output or sound modes. Ensure that the media sound is set to play through your phone speakers and not accidentally routed to a Bluetooth device that's out of range or turned off. When in doubt, a simple restart can work wonders. Press and hold the power button, then tap Restart. This refreshes your phone's software and can resolve temporary glitches causing sound problems. Finally, make sure your phone's software is up to date. Go to Settings, then Software Update. Check for and install any available updates. Manufacturers often release patches that fix audio bugs. With these steps, you should be back to enjoying your favorite media with sound on your Samsung device.